Let's move ahead. The first period was a study period, means students studied in first period. Maddie tried to prepare her lesson, but she could not put her mind on her work. Maddie, I have already explained that Maddie had a soft corner for Wanda Petronsky. So that's why she was trying to complete her lesson, but she was not concentrating. She was not able to give her 100% to complete her work. She had a very sick feeling in the bottom of her stomach, means वो पेट में उसके एक अजीब सी चीज़ें हो रही थी. वो she was not feeling easy. She was feeling something excited or something ill. True, she had not enjoyed listening to Peggy ask Wanda how many dresses she had in her closet. But she had said nothing. Now she is feeling that when Peggy was asking questions to Wanda, she did not oppose her. Instead of this, she did not say anything and kept standing there. She had stood by silently, and that was just as bad as what Peggy had done. Worse. और ये उतना ही बुरा है. अगर मैंने कोई अपोज नहीं किया पैगी का, तो जितनी गलती पैगी की है उतनी ही गलती मेरी है. And that was just as bad as what Peggy had done. Worse. She was a coward. वो अपने आप को ब्लेम कर रही है कि वो बहुत ही कावर्ड है. कावर्ड का मतलब जो व्यक्ति डरा हुआ हो, साहसी ना हो. At least Peggy hadn't considered they were being mean, but she, Maddie, had thought they were doing wrong. Means Peggy did not consider that whatever she was doing that was wrong or right or such kind of things. She never thought. But Maddie herself, she had a soft corner for Wanda, and she was feeling that whatever happened with that girl was wrong. She could not herself in Wanda's shoes. She could not herself in Wanda's shoes means to say कि वो अगर वेंडा की जगह होती तो उसको कितना बुरा लगता. उसकी वो इमेजिनेशन कर रही है कि उसको खुद को भी कितना बुरा लगता अगर वो वेंडा की जगह खुद होती. वेंडाज शूज का मतलब एट द प्लेस ऑफ वेंडा. गुडनेस. Wasn't there anything she could do? If only she could tell Wanda she hadn't meant to hurt her feelings. Means goodness, hey Bhagwan, hey Ishwar, ये क्या हो गया? She is very sorry and she is saying that wasn't there anything she could do? क्या कुछ ऐसा नहीं था जो वो खुद कर सकती थी? क्या उसे अपोज नहीं करना चाहिए था? If only she could tell Wanda she hadn't mean to hurt her feeling. काश वो वेंडा को इतना तक कह पाती कि इसका मतलब, मैडी का मतलब उसकी फीलिंग्स को हर्ट करना नहीं है. बट शी कुड नॉट डू दिस. शी टर्न्ड अराउंड एंड स्टोल अ ग्लैंसी एट पैगी. स्टोल अ ग्लैंस एट पैगी मतलब उसने तिरछी निगाहों से पैगी की तरफ देखा. बट पैगी डिड नॉट लुक अप. Means Peggy did not pay attention. She seemed to be studying hard. Well, whether Peggy felt badly or not, Maddie, had to do something. Means Maddie wanted to know that after reading this letter by Miss Mason, how she was feeling, how Peggy was feeling. She was feeling is something wrong? It did not affect her. Means what exactly was going on in Peggy's mind, she wanted to know and she had to do something. She had to find Wanda Petronsky. उसके दिमाग में एक बात आती है कि उसे वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की को ढूंढना चाहिए. Maybe she had not yet moved away. Maybe Peggy would climb the heights with her and they would tell Wanda she had won the contest and they thought she was smart and 100 dresses were beautiful. Means now what she is planning, that she should find Venda, and she thinks maybe Peggy would also accompany her. Peggy would also go to Venda with her, and they will tell Venda that whatever 100 dresses she has drawn, they were beautiful and she has won the medal. She is the winner. When school was dismissed in the afternoon, Peggy said with pretended casuals. Pretended casuals means she does not she is showing that she doesn't care, but she wants to say. मतलब वो एक ऐसे कैजुअलनेस में कहती है कि जैसे उसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. वो क्या कहती है पैगी? पैगी सेड, हे लेट्स गो एंड सी इफ दैट किड हैज लेफ्ट टाउन और नॉट. उस टाउन अभी तक वो जो किड है, किड मीन्स वेंडा, वो टाउन में है या नहीं है, वो चले गए या हैं. सो पैगी had some idea, had the same idea, means whatever was going on in Maddie's mind, the same thing was going on in what? Peggy's mind. Ideas were the same. Maddie glowed when Maddie heard this, that Peggy is also thinking in the same way as she was thinking. She glowed. उसका चेहरा खिल गया. Peg was really all right. Peg बिल्कुल ठीक थी. The two girls hurried out of the building, up the street towards Boggins Heights, the part of the town that wore such a forbidding air on this kind of a November afternoon, drizzly, damp and dismal. So what happened? Both girls hurried out of the building, जल्दी जल्दी बिल्डिंग से बाहर आई, and they started climbing the height, that road that goes to Boggins Height, the part of the town that wore such a forbidding air. Forbidding air, yes, forbidding air means unfriendly type of atmosphere. Means that part where Venda used to live, what was the name? Boggins Height. It was a part in the town where there was a forbidding air on this kind of November afternoon. Means November afternoon में वहाँ पर a kind of unfriendly atmosphere था. Nothing was good. Kind of November. Drizzly. It was raining and damp and dismal. Damp means wet and sad. Here expressing a state of hopelessness, means nothing was lively in that area. Well, at least, said Peggy gruffly. Gruffly means strictly, means a kind of tightness, और एक तरह से कहते हैं कि उखड़ के बोलना, या जो प्लेजेंट ना हो बोलने में. Well, at least, said Peggy gruffly, I never did call her a foreigner. Foreigner यहां वर्ड क्यों यूज किया? क्योंकि वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की जो थी वो पोल थी. She came from Poland. She was not the native inhabitant of America. वो अमेरिका की रहने वाली नहीं थी. So that's why Peggy explains that I never call her a foreigner. मैंने कभी उसको foreigner नहीं कहा, और make fun of her name, और ना ही मैंने कभी उसके नाम का मजाक उड़ाया. I never thought she had the sense to know we were making fun of her anyway. Means वो कह रही है कि वो शायद कभी उसको पता ना चल पाया कि हम सिर्फ उसका मजाक उड़ाते थे. I never thought she had the sense to know we were making fun of her anyway. वो सिर्फ हम उसका मजाक उड़ाते थे, कभी उसके नाम का या कभी उसके सिटीजनशिप के बारे में मैंने कभी कोई मजाक नहीं उड़ाया. I thought she was too dumb.